Retevis RT45 is a good-selling analog radio. Today, I will show how to operate RT45 by hand on the display. First, let's check the package. It includes two radio bodies with batteries, charging cable and adapter, two belt clips, and one menu. Okay, let's show how to operate it. Press menu key to power on. Short press menu key to change from different functions. Channel. Press up-down key to switch between channels. CTCSS. Call ring. Total 10 call rings. VOX off. VOX on. Level. VOX level. Total 5 levels. Dual standby channels. Total 22 channels. CTCSS of dual standby channel. Okay. Short press this key to open the radio monitor function. There is a monitor signal here. Short press menu key to cancel it. Long press monitor key to hear some weak signals. Short press monitor key to scan the channels. Okay. PTT key here to transmit. This is the earpiece hole on the top. This is charging hole for USB charging cable plug-in here. Okay, any other questions for RT45 operate, please feel free to email us. Thank you.